Masarap maging Pinoy, pero masasarap kumain ng pagkain Pinoy. That's why I'll take you on a Filipino culinary journey and give you the top 10 pinakamasarap na pagkain sa Pinas. I'm Z, and this is the checklist. On our list, syempre di na mawawala to, adobo. This dish features meat, usually chicken or pork, but personally ako gusto ko pork. It is marinated in a blend of vinegar and soy sauce, garlic, bay leaves, and black peppercorns. So, diba? Sayap!
Sayap!
For me, it's a 10 out of 10 sayap points. A must-try for foreigners visiting the Philippines. For dessert, we have halo-halo. If translated to English, it means mix-mix. Dahil yun naman talaga yung pagkain nun yung hinahalo-halo o mini-mix-mix. It is full of shaved ice milk, combines with sweet beans, fruits, jellies, and syempre sa taas, leche flan, ube, and a drizzle of evaporated milk. Yun nga yung nagpapamahal dun yung tawag nilang special, yung masobrang leche flan o kaya ube. Ito naman, pang umaga. If you seek comfort in a bowl, lugaw. This classic Filipino rice porridge is rich, savory, and perfect meal sa umaga. Bagay na bagay with garlic and calamansi. Tapos lagyan mo lang ng chicken and lutuin mo with ginger. Boom! Arroz caldo, boy! Next, we have sinigang gang. Sinigang, a Filipino favorite. It is a tangy and sour soup. Pwedeng pork, shrimp, or fish with a variety of vegetables. Ito yung pagkaing mapapaasin kilihi. Wow, kala mo talaga yun, no? So, kung sino man nakaabot nun, matanda na kayo, guys. Sabi nga nila, no celebration is complete without lechon. Di kumpleto yan kung wala nito. Most especially on fiestas. Laging kabang-abang rin nito sa mga birthday party. Pero guys, hinahinay lang ha. This whole roasted pig has crispy skin, tender and juicy meat. Lalaway tuloy ako. And now we have kare-kare. It is a rich and creamy peanut stew. Mapinati! Often made with oxtail, tripe, and vegetables like eggplant and string beans. It is best enjoyed with a side of bagong. Alam mo yung bagong? It is a fermented shrimp paste. So, yung bagong na yun, nilalagay yun to enhance its unique flavors. Ito naman. Sobrang daming kasabihan nito. Kainin daw para humaba ang buhay. O kaya naman ang relasyon sa mundo. Diba? Ito, pansit. Pansit come in many forms. Pwedeng pansit canton, o kaya naman pwede pansit malabon. These are the two popular variations, each offering a delicious mix of noodles, meat, and vegetables. Perfect pang merienda to, boy. Ito, masayap din to. Meron din siyang dalawang klase. Lumpia, the Filipino spring roll. Lumpiang Shanghai is the fried version filled with giniling-giling, ground meat, and vegetables. While lumpiang sariwa is a fresh roll served with sweet peanut sauce. Personal favorite ko na naman ito. Kaya masasabi ko talaga sa inyong masayap ito. Tapsilog, another classic Filipino breakfast that includes tapa or cured beef, garlic fried rice known as sinangag, and a fried egg or itlog. Kaya siya tinawag na tapsilog dahil simpleng tapa at itlog lang naman ang laman nito So, kahit na ganun, sayap talaga nito. Kahit araw-arawin mo pa. Finally, we have bibingka, a traditional rice cake made from rice flour and coconut milk, often topped with salted egg and cheese. Sikat na sikat during Christmas season. Sino bang hindi magugustuhan nito? Kaya yung gusto mo?
Bilhan mo na siya ng bibingka.
At doon na nga nagtatapos ang 10 kaysayap na pagkain na matatagpuan dito sa Pinas. Ilan lang ito sa dami ng pwede pang matikman. Kaya let us know in the comments which Filipino dish you think other people should try.